pretty popular. But the city at 25 million, I guess it makes sense. But these are probably mostly tourists, I guess. Can't imagine you'd be a local and come here often, I don't think. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so now we're gonna go into Ciquiko. Sorry. And it's gonna be crowded. Crazy crowded. Alright. So yeah, this is an ancient city and it's a tourist site. And it's gonna be, looks like it's gonna be pretty crazy. You see sawdust everywhere. Takes a long time just to get anywhere. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So, okay. So this is going to be filled with tourist stuff for sure. I didn't realize there's this much tourist stuff. But it's basically like wall to wall tourist and stuff. Beautiful. I'm even carrying that through here. Wow. I guess they have this everywhere. Mission address right there. Okay. This is pretty cool though, but wow, it's crazy crowded. I can't find you if you run everywhere. Okay, so yeah, this place is pretty crowded. That's all I can really say. But yeah, this is the old village. This is like the old way that I guess it used to be. It's kind of hard to see it because I don't see anything that looks like it's old. Everything looks like it's for sale. So all these shops look like they're remodeled. But yeah, I don't know. Today's probably the worst day to visit too because it's today's the weekend. Anyways, we're kind of stuck, so I'm just gonna try to find something interesting. Okay, this looks like it's hanging out over here. This tree is kind of popular throughout all of Asia. You just write little things on it. So yeah, this is gonna be they're selling things, he's making things. Okay. I think this whole thing is gonna be kind of like this. They just claps like that all day because they think that gets the business, so they clap. Yeah, this just kind of goes all the way down. Do you do the foot scraping? Okay. Okay, so we're continuing on, and it's pretty mad. It's pretty crazy crowded. So see if we can navigate this crowd. Yeah, this is an old ancient village. Restaurant looks like tea. Yeah, this is crazy crowded. And they're doing drawings right in this little narrow street. No wonder it's so crowded. So, okay, take there's more. The sun is starting to go down a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty crazy because there's a place in Macau that reminds me of this where it's just like all tourists in a crowded spot just trying to get up kind of a shopping area. Good beautiful spot. Okay, kind of crazy crowded streets. I think we have Alright, so I guess it's a pretty big tourist attraction. So he's trying to get through this crazy crowd with the express thing, I guess. More stuff up there. I don't know. Pretty crowded. Today's kind of a tough day. Saturday is a tough day to come here, I think, because this is pretty popular. For the city at 25 million, I guess it makes sense. But these are probably mostly tourists, I guess. Can't imagine to be local and come here often, I don't think.